Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be bringing some other items from my Temu order. On yesterday's video, there were a couple of items that were left out. They were in another room and I forgot about them. So I want to share these with you. These are items that are also going inside the Mother's Day gift baskets. So what I have here, I have these rose-shaped soaps. And I love the variety of colors. And I have this. It's a different style. As you can see, this first box, they just go from dark down to light roses. And this one, each rose has a different color petal. Okay. It's also in the beautiful gift box. Last night I featured a whole lot of robes. This one is pretty here. It's really soft. It has a lot of lace feature in it. And also the bottom has lace. Okay, and it has a belt that goes with it. It's really, really soft. So this is another good item from Temu. Okay, next I have some more totes that I got from Dollar Tree. And these are going to be some of my Mother's Day totes. Also, I have a lot of these silk flowers that I'm going to be using with my Mother's Day basket. I'm going to have these flowers up where the gift bowl is going to be, or I'm going to have it inside the basket. I'm going to incorporate it in some way. And I have varying degrees of pink that I'm going to be using. The pink little flower bush came just like this here, just like this one. And I'm just individually cutting off the flowers. I have little buds going all the way to an open flower. And these are peonies, artificial peonies, my favorite flower. I have some of these in my garden. And I'm going to be using those as well. I have some of these pretty big ones here. I'm going to be using these also in my baskets. And these little ones here. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all these because I have a whole lot of flowers. Here are some nice ones that I got from Dollar Tree. These long ones here. I got these from Dollar Tree. This is all I have left. I had a box and my daughter came and helped herself. And she loaded up on flowers. And after she took them, I said, I'm going to use those flowers. I'm going to come up with some idea of how I could use these flowers in my Mother's Day gift baskets. But that was after she had taken a lot. I will keep you updated on new orders that come in. So if you see something that you like, you can at least go to Temu website and see if you can grab some for your Mother's Day baskets. And I go on Temu because I wanted something different. There are nice finds at Walmart and Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and all the other stores that everyone is going to get supplies for their gift baskets. But I wanted mine to be a little bit different and have some different items inside. So that's why I chose to go to Temu and get items. And I'm ordering them early to make sure they come in on time. They have a quick shipment process. They ship pretty quick. So I'm just doing that to make sure that I have everything I need in advance of preparing for my Mother's Day gift baskets. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.